I'm coming to you today from the Magical Butter Kitchen, and we're going to work on a recipe for rosemary hair rinse. Hi, my name's Bob Linde. I'm an acupuncture physician and registered herbalist at the Tradition School of Herbal Study. The reality is I want to talk about rosemary and some of the other herbs I like to combine with it. Rosemary is best for people with darker hair if you just want to use it as a colorant. But rosemary has so many other uses. We can use rosemary if you've got any kind of fungal infection, scalp itching, things like that. Or if you're starting to lose your hair, whether you're dealing with chemotherapy, alopecia, or any of the other reasons why your hair might be starting to fall out, we can make a strong infusion of that and massage it into the scalp. If you do it every day, you can frequently keep your hair, even during chemotherapy. But there's another really nice aspect to the rosemary. It's said that it helps us to remember, and it really allows for a stimulant of our mind, our memory. So sometimes instead of getting that cup of coffee in the morning to get you going so that you're alert while you drive into work, we can just apply some of the rosemary infusion to our head and leave it in after we've taken our shower. But some people use it as a colorant, that colorant for the dark hair. So if you don't happen to have dark hair, you can substitute chamomile for that rosemary. You're not going to get those same stimulating effects. Chamomile is such a nourishing tea and more appropriate for folks with blonde hair. I like to add just a little pinch of lavender to either the rosemary or the chamomile, just for a little relaxation as we deal with the day's stress, but not so much that we might get tired. So literally just a pinch, maybe 1/4 teaspoon. With either the rosemary or the chamomile, we're going to do a heaping tablespoon and just a little bit of apple cider vinegar, in particular for the light hair. It will add to the lightness. It helps to extract some of the nourishing minerals that's going to help your hair, and adds a little tingle that feels nice. It will enhance some of the, not bleaching, but blonde aspects and highlights, add a brightness and a lightness to the hair. So all we need to do, go ahead and measure our herbs out, pour some hot water on, let it steep for at least 15 minutes. And a couple of options. We can just leave it like that after we strain our herbs out and rub it into our scalp. If you really want to get advanced, get a spray bottle, and after you're done with your shower, just spray it into your hair and leave it in towel dry, and you'll be awake, alert, with beautiful hair for the rest of the day. So this is Bob Linde from the Magical Butter Kitchen talking to you about how to do a rosemary hair rinse formula.